Hello everyone, this is Johurul Islam. Today we are discussion about system model, public policy and output of political system. You know the David Easton, he is a father of political model, system model. His book name is A System Analysis of Political Life. That is the very important and very um, mm, practical books that is every country are used for the policy making process. Political system. David Easton says political system is that system of interaction in any society through which binding or authoritative allocation are made. On the other hand, Gabriel Almonds also say political system is that system of interactions to be found in all independent societies. That means all independent society are very crucial for this, which perform the function of interaction and adaptation, both internally and vis-a-vis other societies by means of employment or treated of employment or more or less physical compulsion. So Garvey Almond basically say about employment theme. On the other hand, Alan R. Bell are also said about political system. He said a system implies the interdependence of part and a boundary of some kind between it and its environment. That means all definition are going some elements, some interdependence of parts from environment, processing, etc. So we now next slide. This is the system model that are uh, created by David Easton. Here we can see some important elements like the environment that are structural, socio-political, social, political, and economical affect all part of the system. Environment are main theme for any political system or political public policies because environment are growing up by public peoples etc. Here we input some elements: election result, public opinion, communication to elected official, media coverage or issue of issues, personal experience of decision makers. That that this input going to the political system or a black box. The political system translates inputs into outputs. Inputs into output translate. The structural, social, political, and economic environment influence political and public policy making activities. That the result of outputs that are decision, laws, regulation, etc. Here, going to the environment sector also for feedback. When public are accepted or not accepted, they doing some feedback that was the some support or demand also interpreted in input. This circle also repeated by repeated etc. This is also you can see the main theme: political system, other system, environment, input are all demand support, the governance and policy making that's called black box, and decision or policy or laws making Then it is firstly internal feedback repeat, and secondly external feedback. That all both are post the support something by input in black box. Then policy governance and policy making output feedback support input etc. Feedback are mainly affected by environment sector. You can see this slide. You also are good understand for the political system model. Environment are observer input demand some issues. Political system it is make uh, process something and decision and action some output. That was you can see blue arrow that are the in feedback mechanism. Feedback going to the input by supported support system. They are also from the environment sector, uh, very important this process.